everyone. Normally it's lunch at work, but today it is actually lunch at home. And today I am trying something new. So when we went to Trader Joe's, I got butter chicken, the frozen, and it looks like this. And then I also got the garlic naan to go with it. I'm gonna be trying a bite on here. I'm gonna try another bite of that. I think it's really good. I'm trying to get a full effect. Okay, that is really good. I like this has real chicken in it and doesn't have the weird chili chicken in it. I would definitely buy this again because it was also really affordable. I think the naan was like $4 and there's like 4 or 5 pieces in there and they're all this big. And this was like $4. I would definitely get it again. See you tomorrow for normal lunch at work.